So today I'm filming at the TUI Blue. I'm just going to take you on a quick walk through tour from reception, show you the outdoors, the pools. It's not a room review, this is just a walk around the grounds. It's set right on the ocean front here. It's got quite a few pools, and the hotel does boast rooms with swim-up pools, which is lovely, which I'll show you shortly. Here we go. What a lovely view. Restaurant area. I'm just going to meander around the hotel. Low bar there next to the pool. Got a lovely infinity pool going on here. Covers of sun lounges. That's the cover. Some of the covers over. There we go. I'm going to have a little walk up here to the harbour shell. Last night we had the most horrendous thunderstorm. Everything outside my room is completely soaked. So Thor himself was coming down with his hammer. Ah, it's very pretty. These big beanbag style lounges are great. Look super comfortable. Ample shaded area. So I was on the beach the other day, and the for a set of sun lounges and an umbrella, it's €20. The hotel always said the complimentary. So if you factor that into the price of your holiday, go. That's the little beach next to the hotel. And just around this island here, there's another big bay that takes about 20 odd minutes to walk through, which I walked through the other day. Okay, well. I'm going to come over in a moment to some of the swim rooms. As you can see, the music is just dead chill. Nothing loud, everything's super relaxed. There we go. So these rooms are obviously featuring your swim up. These ones with the privates have got a lot more privacy. These ones are very open in the public. A little road little path there leads you back to reception. Oh, got some more. Some more swim rooms down here. A little bit more private than those ones there. The time of filming is mid-September, and the whole of the area is really busy. I've done a daytime and nighttime walking tour of the actual centre itself. So if you're interested in that, just have a look at some of the other videos I've filmed. I'll put everything in the playlist for you. I'm just wandering around a few of the hotels in the area, giving people an idea of the quality and style of accommodation. Nice snack bar here. Just leading you on to the beachfront again.
Because I just don't want to miss it.
You're looking right down to the beach, you can do. The beach itself doesn't look that impressive. Fairly narrow. Lots of seaweed on it. Quite rocky. You're going to listen to the waves coming in rather than music from the bar. Still nice and relaxing. Yeah, I'll just spin you around now and take you back through to the one of the other pools. Another infinity pool. So, well, I think it's one of the bigger resorts here. A lot of the resorts in this area, the hotels seem to be quite boutique, more boutique style, much smaller. This seems to be a fully blown, full-size resort. People are wandering around ordering, getting people's drinks orders, which is quite good. We're signposted. Yeah, again, as you can see, we've got more swimming pools here. The thing with the Greek islands, they do keep the accommodation down to very low levels. A lot of tectonic plates shifting around here, and a lot of earthquakes, so they don't build high. There you go, over here, that's where we just came from. The bar area and the reception just over beyond. So it just gives you an idea of the scale of the resort. And this combination here, obviously you're going to get a lovely sea view. Okay. The spa is here, located, the Blue Spa. And this little path takes you back to the main street. So I'll just walk you to the gate and conclude the video there. There we go, some more of the rooms here with the swim up pools. You seem to have we're on the edge, so yet again, way more privacy here. It does get really hot here, so I suppose it'd be quite nice if you can get one of these for the shade. There you go, that's a whole overview of the resort. Okay, in fact I'll conclude the video here. So if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Helps my little channel. And puts these kind of videos in front of people who like to consume them. Okay, thank you for watching.